Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating a playlist on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select the profile button in the bottom right. And then you want to select TikTok Studio. Go ahead and select that. Underneath More Tools, you want to scroll over until you get to Playlist and go ahead and open that up. At this point, go ahead and view playlists that might be already in here. If you want to create a playlist, select Create Playlist, select Start Creating. You can name this whatever you want. Then Next. It has to include letters apparently as well. And then you can add different videos you want to include in your playlist and then select Done. And that is pretty much it. And there you go. So like I said, pretty straightforward process on that, guys. Now you can go underneath Manage Playlists on your profile page, and it'll tell you all the videos and playlists you have on your account. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.